morning, everyone. It's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Atlantic City on the boardwalk. We're going to visit Resorts Casino Hotel, which was the first casino hotel in Atlantic City. Resorts became the first legal casino outside of Nevada in the United States in 1978. Resorts completed an expansion in 2004, adding a 27-story rendezvous tower, and underwent renovations in 2011, converting the resort to a Roaring Twenties theme, which you're going to check out shortly. On the left here is a Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville, and on the right, on the beach, is the Landshark Beach Club, another Jimmy Buffett property. There's quite a few beach clubs right off the boardwalk on the Atlantic City beach, and we're going to check them out in a future video. Outside of that new rendezvous tower, the resort's complex is actually made up of several old buildings, older than 100 years old. An interesting note is during World War II, the U.S. government leased the buildings to create a Army Air Force Basic Training Center No. 7, also dubbed Camp Boardwalk. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Here we have a look at the inside of Margaritaville and the Margaritaville gift shop. Apparently when I stopped in, the staff was looking for a lost shaker of salt. Oh, I crack myself up sometimes. Listen, if you're not a Jimmy Buffett fan, that went over your head. It looks like they're doing some re-merchandising, and this is a tight circle. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. These sidewalks used to be outside, kind of like Grauman's Chinese Theater in Hollywood. I guess they bought them in to protect them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. As if Jimmy Buffett isn't making enough money here at resorts with his Margaritaville restaurant, his beach club, his gift shop, now we have the Margaritaville coffee shop on the left-hand side. Some other places for a quick bite here are Buckaboo's Burritos, Dunkin' Donuts, Familia Pizza, Haagen-Dazs, Ruby's Dinette, and Soup Man. That's right, that's Soup Man. No soup for you! If it's casual dining you're looking for, there's Breadsticks, Gallagher's Burger Bar, of course we passed Landshark Bar and Grill on the beach in Margaritaville, and there's a DraftKings Sports Bar as well. And if it's a nice relaxing dinner you're looking for, there's Capriccio Italian Restaurant, East Winds, Gallagher's, Makashi Sushi Bar, as well as Cielo Wine Bar. This is the Jersey Devil Surf Shop here on the right that I spoke about earlier. And on the left here, if you're looking for a sugary concoction that will give you a headache and make you sick in no time, there's always Wet Willie's. And this is a good example of some of that Art Deco theming or the Roaring Twenties theming that I was talking about earlier in the video. I tell you, Resorts really hasn't changed much since it opened in 1978, and that's not a bad thing in this particular case because it was always going after that early Hollywood look, and it's always kept it and maintained it very well. Here's the main lobby and the registration area on the left, and of course the casino straight ahead. Casinos are never hard to find here in Atlantic City or Las Vegas. You just follow your ears and follow that cigarette smell. The ventilation in the Las Vegas hotels and casinos is superior to the ones here in Atlantic City. You never smell any cigarette smoke in Las Vegas. And especially these older buildings, the ventilation systems just can't move the smoke that quickly. Just check out the design in the tiles on the floor, the brass railings, the gold wallpaper, the wooden paneling. It's just screaming early 20s in Hollywood. And most of the quick bite places that I spoke about earlier are conveniently located together here at resorts, kind of like a food court. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.